I'm a Satsu 5 with my brother Chemo Kid 1SS filming, and this is just a kind of a demo, an update if you will, on my Filipino butterfly knives. I had a viewer ask to flip them for you, and I will. I can't do a whole lot of tricks with them, they're still a little stiff, but I'll show you what they can do. I'm going to start off with this miniature butterfly knife, and let's get started. Alright, this is my full-size, custom-made balisong from the Philippines. Let's see how it flips. Do a fast draw.
Do it again.
Alright. Catch that? I don't like throwing this one. That's one of the disadvantages of not having a latch gate. The latch will come down and hit it like that, and sometimes can even hit your blade. And that's why I don't like flipping these. I would use them if it was legal. I would carry them if it was legal. I normally don't flip these knives, but I have broke them in somewhat. I'm a Satsu 5, and that's my quick flipping video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm out. And let's get started.
It's Bob.
Okay.
Hey, Bob.
Hello. My brother's taking a phone call. I'll pause it now and I'll join the clips later. Alright. I can do basic horizontals.
Daddy.
Okay. Answering the phone again.
Hello?
Don't know if you can see this. And see if you can catch this aerial. And I guess I'll pause it again and join the clips again. Didn't cut myself.